Most people get this wrong when they hear about Georgia as a fast residency or easy country for digital nomads. They assume it's just a quick online form and a guaranteed residency card. That's not how it works. Here's the truth no one tells you. Georgia offers one of the simplest residency pathways in Europe-adjacent regions, but it still requires structure, proof of income, and choosing the right legal route. In this video, you'll learn how the Georgia Residence by Investment program works in 2026, why digital nomads like Alex are choosing it, and what actually makes it easier compared to other countries. Let's break it down step by step. 1. First, understand the core idea. Georgia offers multiple residency options, but for digital nomads and entrepreneurs, the most relevant are business-based residency and investment-linked permits. There is also long-term residency after continuous stay. Now here's where most people fail. They assume there is a single golden visa-style shortcut. In reality, residency is tied to either business activity, income proof, or investment thresholds depending on the route. Let's make it simple with an example. John is a remote freelancer earning online income. He moves to Tbilisi and registers a small local company. Because he now has a legal entity and income activity in Georgia, he can apply for residency based on business presence. Now here's where it gets interesting. Georgia is attractive because the requirements are lighter compared to Western Europe. Lower cost of living, simple company formation, and relatively fast processing make it popular for location-independent workers. But here's the problem many beginners face. They assume residency equals permanent freedom. It does not. You still need to renew permits and maintain legal status through ongoing activity or stay requirements. So how does the process actually work? Step 1 is choosing your residency route. Most digital nomads choose either business registration or income-based stay permits. Step 2 is setting up a legal presence. This could be a local company or proof of consistent foreign income, depending on your application type. Step 3 is applying for residency through Georgian immigration authorities. This includes submitting documents like passport, financial proof, and business details if applicable. Step 4 is maintaining residency status. This often requires staying a minimum number of days per year, or showing continued economic activity. Now here's the key insight. Georgia is popular, not because it gives automatic residency, but because it reduces friction. Lower costs, simpler setup, and flexible rules make it easier compared to most European systems. To wrap it up, Georgia's residency system in 2026 is one of the most accessible options for digital nomads, but it still requires proper structure, documentation, and compliance. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, like the video, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more practical global relocation guides.